Astroice jewelry in the building, man. As you guys can see, we got a third surprise unboxing for you guys, man. Moissanite and silver collection, man. We are going crazy right now. The entire collection is 30% off, man. So go ahead and make sure to take advantage through this Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend. Let's get it, man. As you guys can see, we just reviewed this one, 19mm prong set Cuban link with Moissanite and silver on the wrist. Same thing, Moissanite and silver on the neck, man. 10mm prong set Cuban link. And now we got the pendant to go on the chain, man. So this is gonna look crazy, man. Go ahead, stay updated in this video, man. And we're gonna show you guys all the ice in this box. So Astroice jewelry, man, this is what you get when you shop with us. This is our iconic box right here, man. Astroice, man, you guys know the only way to go when you're shopping. So we got the box right here. We got the pouch right there. I know for most of us, man, we're just trying to look good, man, boost the confidence, get that ice on us, man. Let's go. Got that pouch. And this one, out of all the ones I've seen in this video, this one I think impressed me the most, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, and you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. Go ahead and open this up. Take it out the pouch. You can't see it through the bag. You can't see that shine yet through the bag. You gotta take it out that. Boom. Throw that over there. Then we got that right there. Let me go ahead and take that plastic off the back, that protective plastic. We make sure, man, that this jewelry gets to you in the best way possible. So here we got the 925 on the back, as you guys can see right there, man. All right. And boom. Oh my God, these Moissanite stones go crazy. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. You guys know this is the only way to go, man. Boom. Yes, sir, man. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. Let's go. Moissanite stones, solid silver base, and a beautiful white gold plating, man. You cannot go wrong, man. This Hamsa is bust down. A regular piece like this would cost easily around 15 to 20,000, probably even more with them emerald cut stones. And you can get this for below 500 bucks, man. This piece is gonna last you forever. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? This piece is gonna last you forever, man. Oh my God, it's so freaking icy. Moissanite stones, man. Let me go ahead and throw it on the chain. Let's go ahead and see how it looks. Snap that on. Slide this to the front. And when the jewelry new and fresh out the box, it could be a little stiff. That's what I tell you guys sometimes, but it's gonna loosen up as you wear it and be all nice and flowy. So here we go, man. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. Oh my gosh, man. Look at that ice on my neck looking crazy. Then we got the wrist to match, man. Ooh-wee. Let's get it, man. Astroice jewelry, man. All our whole collection of silver and Moissanite, 30% off, man. Go ahead and take advantage, man. These prices are amazing. And you're going to buy pieces that are going to last forever. Amazing for gifts, man. Amazing for anything that you need them for the club, going out, taking super nice family pictures. Anything you guys need, man. The drip is going to help. It's going to boost your confidence, man. It's going to make you look good, man. Let's get it. You guys, so let me show you guys real quick. You see, I got no chain, looking regular degular. Go ahead, put this on. And just see, man, I go from like a 10 to 100, you know what I'm saying? On a scale from 1 to 10. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Put the ice on. It's a game changer, man. I'm telling y'all, it's a game changer. Then you got Moissanite and silver that's going to last you forever, and rings on a diamond tester. What else do you need? Look at this. You can't call nothing here fake. Everything here is real. What else do you need? Tell me. You iced out, man. With the wrist on ice too. And we're not playing no games, man. We could pull up anywhere, go in any water, go in anything, and we straight looking icy and looking good, man. Let me go ahead and grab that diamond tester. Yes, sir, man. We're not playing no games here. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. Moissanite stones. Go ahead and check them emeralds in the middle. Let's get it. Emerald cut. Let's get it. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. We're not playing no games. Moissanite stones, man. Let's get it. There you guys see, man. So that's really it for this review, man. We're definitely going to have a lot more videos showing you guys the shine test in the natural sunlight and all that good stuff, man. But this that studio lighting, man. And this thing is bust down, man. Looking crazy. Amazing Christmas gifts. Amazing holiday ice, man. You trying to look good in your pictures, holiday pictures, all that good stuff. Astroice jewelry. Make sure you order now. You order during this Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend, because these are made when ordered, man. So make sure you go ahead and order it now so it can get there before Christmas, man. Look at this ice, man. Let's get it, man. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. The best in the game, man, for hip-hop jewelry. Ain't nobody doing it like us, man. Astroice jewelry in the building, man. And we out, man. See you in the next one.